Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4, but before I do this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a slim, soft to touch wallet case or card case for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. It comes from a company called Shieid. Yes, I just looked on Amazon for cases that could hold like a credit card or your ID, and I decided to pick up this card. I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. But here's the packaging from them. We'll make sure everything fits well. Can you wireless charge? You know, do you need adhesive strips or anything? We'll definitely see what we can do with this case. And here it is on Amazon. Let me lower the brightness. So there it is online. So it has the little card sleeve. But let's get into it. Let's try it out. A lot of folks have been asking for this type of case. I don't want to do a wallet case because I'm not a big fan of a wallet case. But if y'all know a good one, let me know. But the packaging is pretty simple. It says fashion case on there. I just want to get out the packaging. All right, so here's the case, the back of it. It does have the little card slot, so I think that's actually pretty cool. It does have a big adhesive strip. I don't know how I feel about that, but we'll see how it fits without it. And this is the front. Does it have it has a pre-installed screen protector. Y'all know how I feel about pre-installed screen protectors. We'll see how that one fits too. But it looks like you can punch this out pretty easy, but it does have adhesive strip there. Let's see what it does without the adhesive strip. And it does have like this soft material on the inside, so it will protect your device. I do like that wallet though. Just simple. If you're going out, you just want to carry your ID and maybe a debit card or a credit card. Now, do you get camera protection? You get some. I wouldn't slam my phone down. You do get lip protection around there. No hinge protection. I know people are going to say boo, but everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at the top. The volume rockers and the power button is open. Do you get lip action? You get some, but you can see how it fits too. Top and bottom, and then this is how it looks on the back. The material is like a leather, fake leather. So it gives you a little bit extra grip back there. But I do like that though. I know a lot of people was looking for a case like this. So this is one of the designs I've seen online. I think you can wireless charge with it. Probably not with your cards in there, but I don't think you would even want to try. What y'all think about it now? Here we go. Can you pull it off easily? Actually, you can. What? I do not have the adhesive strip on there, and I'm not pulling it off. The back moves a little bit, but now that front moved when I grabbed it that time, but it's super hard to get off. The back is not moving at all, y'all. Look. Even with the adhesive strip still not peeled, it kind of acts like it's sticking to it. But, I mean, this is actually a pretty nice case. What y'all think about it? Can you wireless charge? I'm gonna say yes. And yes, you can wireless charge without having any issues. I wouldn't try to wireless charge with cards in there anyway. But if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely pick it up from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForZReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.